Hey growers, what's up? Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up these two new grow lights that I got, courtesy of Spider Farmer. Thank you very much for sending these grow lights to me. If you like what you see in this video, you can buy these grow lights through the link. I'll put it down in the description below, so make sure you go check it out. Like a pro. Whoa! Look at this. Wow! Look at that. That is cool. Right away, I can see it's steel or some sort of metal, probably aluminum, and it looks really really nice and sturdy and professional. Right out of the box, it looks really nice. You could like clobber someone with this, just like they used to do to me in elementary school. Man, it looks like, ooh, this is the prime feature of this grow light kit is the power cord. See, because most people don't understand, but actually the power cords are the most important part of any electronic product. If you don't have a power cord, you can't get your product to actually work. And then they also have these hangers. Last but not least, this is, I'm pretty sure this is the driver. The hangers for these grow lights are a simple and interesting design. You have to thread the end pieces onto the grow light, and they have this wing nut piece that allows you to make a loop at the desirable length depending on the height of your plants.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
This is the power cord, and this is the driver. What you have to do is plug the power cord into the driver, then you're going to plug this end into the grow light, and this end into a receptacle. Okay, so I've set up the grow lights in my basement and they look awesome. I attached them to the bottom of tables and this works really well. Just use what you have available to you. Be creative and you'll find a great place to hang your grow lights. These lights are super bright and they've got different color LEDs to suit different growth stages of plants. I don't want this video to get very technical, but I just wanted to highlight a few things about this grow light. The light is not very heavy. It only weighs about 3 pounds. Apparently it puts out about 10 to 11,000 lumens, which seems pretty good for a grow light. Power draw is quite low, which is great to save on electricity costs. And the company says this grow light covers a 2 foot by 4 foot area, so I should be able to fit several trays under one light. It appears that it produces a wide range of wavelengths, and the blue and red ones are the highest, which is supposed to be good for green growth and flowers and fruiting. It's supposed to carry plants through from the seedling stage through the fruiting stage of growth, which is pretty cool if it actually works. I want to show you my super hot pepper seedlings. They're doing well, but some leaves are yellowing a bit, so I'm going to have to fertilize them. I will show you how I do this in a future video, so stick around. Hey, before you go, I just want to remind you that I have links to this Spider Farmer grow light in the description below, so if you're interested, go check them out. I'll be posting updates on how these lights are working in future videos, so don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.